It's right there. It's right there on your hand. There it is. You see it? Yeah, it's stuck. Get it? Did you drop it? Here. There's your one. You got it. Chew good. Chew it up. Did you get it? Do you like your puffs? You want to drink of water? Let's have a drink. You want to drink? Is that good? Uh-oh. Goodness. Goodness gracious. One more puff? You want another one? Okay, there you go. Yeah. It's stuck to your hand. There it is. Can you get it? That's it. That's hard work, isn't it?